What is her name going to be?
Big Baby.
You may go home without paying us.
3 years later. I can stand.
Yes, sweetie, you can.
Yeah! I'm amazing, right? We have an amazing big baby.
Yeah, she's very sweet. 10 years later.
Wake up! Breakfast! 20 minutes later. She's dead!
I know. Ambulance! My daughter! She's dead! Yes, we will come.
She won't come out!
This is terrible.
I know!
That way. That way. Two hours later. Hello? Your daughter isn't dead. Dead? Oh, thank goodness! Honey, she isn't dead! That's amazing! 2 years later.